What's up everyone, this is Mike from MyGuides World, and today I'll be showing you how you can get 12 months free subscription for Disney Plus absolutely free if you are a Verizon Wireless customer. So first you have to do is go to Disney Plus website and sign up for a free trial for 7 days. You have to create a new account, so just type in your email address and sign up for free. So keep that in mind that this trial is for 7 days with the Disney Plus membership itself, and after that they're going to start billing you. So now second step you have to do is go to verizonwireless.com to redeem the offer for 12 months, because if you're just signing up on the Disney Plus website, you're just getting it free for 7 days, and after that you'll be billed every month. So second step, you have to go to verizonwireless.com and sign up for the promotion, which is for Verizon Wireless customers only. You have to have the unlimited packages with them. So you follow these steps, it's super easy. But one thing you have to make sure, after you sync your account with your Disney Plus account, the steps are super easy. You have to cancel your monthly subscription that you just signed up to create your Disney Plus account. So you will have this thing only in your billing. If you're showing that PayPal account or credit card account and it says that you're going to be billed on this date, then you're going to be billed. So it's double billing. So make sure that you cancel your monthly subscription and just keep your Verizon billing account here. That's all from this video, guys. I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel to support it. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye.